Hi, good morning. This is SK. Today is Monday, and we are starting a new week. First of all, good luck everybody to make a lot of money in the market this week. I have received so many messages in my account, in my Twitter account, that if I can share my views about S&P. Uh, I can share my views about S&P, but these are not recommendations or a market doesn't go the way we think. It's always going to be a probabilities. But we can, with the help of price action, we can really our probabilities can be very close to being in reality what market gonna react. But again, it's all going to be probabilities. So over here, first we have to understand which stage we are in S&P. We are in the fourth stage of the month. That means the last week. So the most important chart will be the monthly chart, as there are many traders, many institutions who trade S&P or any other market monthly. They buy options and all that. So how do we look at the monthly chart here right now? Let's see. If you see here, I mean, when we had a great fall here, we had here as well, which was October, and then we again saw it after a few months, which was about, August. Right now, I'm sorry, right now, the monthly candle last week, it has really, it's not a bullish signal. It really need to do a lot to attract bulls. But as of now, what we looking here is something what we I'm sorry, what we looked here, here or here or or here or here. So I think we can see a little bit high from here. Next month a little bit high. But overall we will be seeing the low very soon. Like if you see here, you know, I mean some kind of a trading range here, and we'll be going back up. But let's talk about this week. This week, if we go to a weekly candle, this is this is very bearish. Like this is like, uh, uh, do you think it's gonna go up? It can poke, but I think we have next leg down. Last 2 days from all bullishness of the candle, last 2 days of the week, they really disappointed all the bulls. Like it's not even it's not even have a bull body. Like it's a total reversal. So today we can poke a little bit up, or we can go a little bit high, and finally I think we are looking October low very soon over here. So this week I think, as a monthly candle, there are very much chances that we can see a little bit low, and have a lot of volatility in Thursday and Friday. And Thursday and Friday will decide how the next month we're gonna trade. But overall, I'm bearish still. We can see a little bit high and low, but overall, today, as pre-market is, if you see here, let's go to 5 minute. Uh, Let me do that. If you see pre-market, I had this early morning today to see, like if pre-market goes up, I might buy some, and it stays up, and I'm gonna see if it trade in this area today. But if you see pre-market, like pre-market is trying to make a base here, like a round bottom, but we have the top of the yesterday, which is about 198ish. So we really need to, as a bullish, if I'm bull here, I really need to see it trading above 198 and staying over here, around this area. But if it doesn't stay here, what can happen is it can poke through this today, like 198ish, and then travel down, and all day trading down. And maybe, as you can see, the global market is down, and overall, currency is down, commodities are down. So like overall, it's not looking very promising, as Monday started with all other markets opening before us and not giving any good results. So what we need to see here is, um, do we gonna stay here? Like it can, it can really tell us if we trade here. It we really Personally, I need to see above 203, to really make a lot of money, to really make a lot of sense, to really make a lot of meaning to it. Right now we are struggling. Bulls are really struggling to travel up. We have made more resistance for us as of now, traveling pre-market, not taking the high off yesterday. If you take a look on your left, we really need to take this 203 to be on a real bull side. Let's go to hourly hourly chart. If you see, I mean, like, we had kind of a double bottom here, here and here. So that's makes some kind of a sense for us to draw our trend line here, because you can see 2 different days gave us the same kind of a bottom. So over here what we are looking at is, I am still expecting it to travel up to 200, like, no matter, like, it can go up to 200, 203, 204, but overall this has to come down. If, like, we just broke one of the trend lines, which we should not have. Let me just draw it here. I mean, that's how I look at the market. Let's change the color. I mean, we were traveling in this blue trend line. It was coming down to this, going up, poking up, poking this line, going up, coming down, going up. Right now, if you see, we have definitely made another trend line. We had came down this trend line here, the blue trend line, and we are making kind of a new trend here, which is overall a bigger picture of our new trading range, which I'm looking at. We might see 190, 180, 185, 186 very soon, as this thing can go up a little bit over here. Like, the price is about, you can say, we can see in the 199, 200ish, and then come down again for the next leg down. So let's see. Overall, I'm bearish as of now. Market is, like, a pre-market we are up, but we might poke and come back. So 5 minute chart is like, is might be making a lower high trend reversal for us, in the real market. We are in bear trend, so I think we're gonna be more bearish. So let's see what market has for us. But the most important candle will be made today is a monthly candle. Not today, I mean this week. So monthly candle. So we need to understand the monthly chart as well. Monthly chart has a round top. Here we had a little round top. We had a round, kind of a round top here. Like, so over here, if you see this top and this top is very similar. So we are getting a round top here, and after a round top, we might get down and up, then make a major trend reversal, lower high, and go down for the next leg and trade around that area and then go up. So as of now, very bearish. As of now, I'm not holding any options. Somebody asked me if I do option trading. I do not do option trading. I'm a day trader. But looking at the pre-market, looking at the market weekly and a monthly time frame, at least as a price action, gives me high probability that where the market is going. So monthly chart, we were bullish all the way, but as of now, we are looking bearish. Weekly chart, we are very, very, very bearish. You can see daily chart, we are very bearish. You see, it's like, it's bad. But I mean, okay, daily chart, we see this kind of a fall, so it's not gonna fall back down, down, down. There has to be some kind of a bounce, because what kind of a bounce that will be? That will be shorts getting covered. It's not buying. There are no buyers. If we had buyers in this market, we wouldn't have seen this kind of a price action. What kind of 2 day reversal back to back? This is not good for bulls, not at all. And then we go to 5 minute chart. If you see 5 minute chart for day traders, or 10 minute chart, we have we need to travel above 198 for me to be bullish. Stay here, travel here for today. but on a longer picture, on a bigger picture, we need to see how the month ends, and I think we are ending very bearish. I think this video can help a little bit. Good luck everybody, and I will be making a closing video as well. Hope we all do good today. Thank you.